I love my family. I tell them every day. Keep the right attitude. No matter what comes our way. I lead by example. Hi, I'm Sean Banks with POW Parenting Workshops. Thank you for taking the time to look at this brief presentation. Who am I and why should you listen? I am a youth performance professional. I have over 20 years of experience helping parents to develop their children. I'm the author of parenting book Persevere, Overcome, Win, creator and director of Camp Warrior King Youth Development, the innovator of You Can Have It All international conferences, and I'm the owner of I Am Defense martial arts program. But most importantly, I truly care. There are 5 reasons parents need POW Parent Workshops and why you should host one. Parenting is a roll up your sleeves, dig in job. Many parents want answers, and we're here to help your parent groups, church, school, youth organization, coworkers or employees, or group of people who want to learn effective parenting skills. POW Workshops provide strategies and solutions to give your children a greater edge in life, including social, academics, and sports. Our workshops are for parents who want children performing at their peak, and here are the reasons. POW Parent Workshops enhance effective parenting skills, which improves the child's overall performance. Children perform better when they're receiving effective parenting at home. POW Parent Workshops teach the 5 keys to developing children that persevere, overcome, and win. As a result, your children achieve more and will be able to compete at a higher level. POW Parent Workshops help parents to identify potential parenting issues early. Parents should start attending POW Workshops while their children are young, and they should continue through their school-age years. It's a crucial time to develop the proper habits, behaviors, and values in children. We teach parents principles to build a strong foundation along with strategies for issues they may face in the early parenting years, which, if left unchecked, may translate into bigger problems in their later parenting years. We break the educational cycle of underachievement. Breaking the cycle of underachievement in children is a great challenge and responsibility. Learning starts at home. Children who receive effective parenting achieve more scholastically. We teach parents how to use the confidence castle to get their children excelling and learning more. POW Workshops are a great resource for you to continue ongoing parent support and training. Let's face it, there are parents who you know that may be having issues raising their kids. Others would just appreciate useful tips and additional information at their disposal. POW Workshops give parents the tools to make changes with available, ongoing, and tailor-made sessions. Our current hot topics are habits of quality time, the habit of creating the right environment for children, and how to develop and maintain strong relationships with your children. Number 5, POW Parent Workshops help to build a stronger community. Hosting a POW Parenting Workshop is a great way to bring positive attention to your organization, generate new business or employees, and build a community of camaraderie. Strong communities build strong children. When people feel better as parents, they will perform better in other areas, like the job, volunteer organizations, and in their overall personal health. We teach parents to become your greatest ally and how to build a strong village that can help catapult their children to the top. POW Parent Workshops are simple and fun to host. The event will be held at your facility. The workshop lasts about an hour. Plan for 1.5 hours from start until finish with cleanup. There's a $20 investment per person, and each paid attendee will go home with a POW workbook. A great collaboration makes for a successful event. So we provide marketing flyers, registration forms, and poster. We ask for your assistance by providing enthusiastic support for the event and additional promotion to your parents and the surrounding community. So, what are your questions? Please write them down and let's discuss them when we get together. Let's get started with the POW Parent Workshop at your facility. Give me a call or send me an email to get started. If you need additional information, please go to my website and you'll learn more information about all the things that we're doing. Hey, it's a great time to be alive. Thank you so much for your time. I look forward to seeing you soon.